Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Today's video will give a quick recap of the Haryant class submarines, and we will also see the features and characteristics of the INS Arigat submarine. Not just that, we will try to understand what is the status of the INS Harigat in case of developmental progress and whether it is going to be commissioned by 2020 or not. First of all, let us understand real quick what actually Haryant class submarines are all about. These submarines are nuclear powered ballistic missile submarines and also the first nuclear submarines designed and built by the Indian Navy, the Baba Atomic Research Center, and Defense Research and Development Organization. India has taken help and suggestions from Russian designers in building these vessels in the naval dockyard in Vishakhapatnam. Other companies involved in the development of the submarine are Tata Power and L&T. If you compare the conventional diesel electric submarines with these Haryant class ones, these nuclear powered submarines can stay underwater for long durations without being detected. There are 4 of them which come under Haryant class category, and out of these 4, the INS Haryant was commissioned in August 2016 and is already in service with Indian Navy. The second submarine, INS Harigat, is expected to be commissioned by 2020 tentatively. The other 2 submarines are yet to be named, and as of now, they are referred with the code names S4 and S4 Star. These are planned for commissioning during 2022 and 2023 tentatively. This is not a confirmed news, but something which has been aimed for. As per the sources, the S4 and S4 Star submarines will be larger, displacing over 1,000 tons more than the Haryant and Harigat. Coming back to the INS Harigat, it is the second nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine being built under the Advanced Technology Vessel project at the Shipbuilding Center in Vishakhapatnam. As per the sources, INS Harigat has completed all required sea trials and is ready for official induction into the Indian Navy. And some sources mentioned that the INS Harigat is presently undergoing sea trials, so no matter whatever it is, I am sure this submarine can be commissioned by 2020. Coming to the general characteristics of this submarine, the length of INS Harigat submarine is 111 meters and a breadth of 11 meters. The displacement stands at 6,000 tons and the complement is about 95, including officers and sailors. Coming to the power sources of INS Harigat, it is powered by a 83 megawatts pressurized water reactor with highly enriched uranium fuel, and it has a single 7-blade propeller as well. This submarine can stay underwater for longer periods undetected due to the nuclear powered pressurized water reactor, and it can achieve a maximum speed of 12 to 15 knots when surfaced and 24 knots when submerged. Coming to the missile detail, the INS Harigat submarines have 4 launch tubes in their hump, and it can carry up to 12 K-15 Sagarika missiles with 1 warhead each with a range of 750 kilometers, or it can carry 4 K-4 missiles with a range of 3,500 kilometers. The INS Harigat submarine will be commissioned after making sure it has completed all sort of high-speed runs and also its various components are tested at different depths, temperatures, and pressure. The final phase of the trials will include the weapon trials. During these trials, actual firing of the submarine launched ballistic missiles will take place from the platform. So let us hope all required procedures are taken care and this second submarine of the Haryant class gets commissioned into Indian Navy at the earliest. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.